Hey there, I'm Erleen Tilton, the Happy Gut Foodie from erleentilton.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious cranberry cheesecake recipe and a sugar-free cranberry sauce using healthy food alternatives. This recipe is so delicious you won't know it is gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free too. So stay tuned. So delicious. Since cranberries are often part of a Thanksgiving meal, how about make a sugar-free cranberry sauce into a no-bake cranberry cheesecake that's delicious and supports a healthy gut diet plan? So let's start by making a fresh cranberry sauce with 12 ounces of fresh cranberries, 3/4 cup water, and 1 cup of allulose granular sweetener. Then we're going to add 4 drops of wild orange essential oil and stir this. You'll notice I did not use monk fruit because it will crystallize and you want to use the allulose instead. So cover it and put it on the stove and cook it and then mash it up and it is ready to go. It's very delicious, so super simple to make. Now refrigerate and let's go to our pie crust. Using 1.5 cups walnuts, 1 tablespoon of cold butter, and a tablespoon of monk fruit. Blend well until it's nice and crumbly and then press in a springform pan. You'll notice there is no baking. Next, we're going to go to our filling, which is 3 8-ounce packages of coconut cream cheese, a 1/3 cup powdered monk fruit sweetener, 3 drops of lemon essential oil, and 1 teaspoon vanilla. Then we're going to whip it all together until it's nice and creamy. Next, we're going to scoop it out onto our crust and spread it smooth. Then we're going to get some of that cranberry sauce, actually only about 3/4 cup of it. The rest of it you can save for later. This you're going to spread out and then you're going to marble it. You can see just going back and forth with a spoon. Now chill and enjoy. Make sure you go to the description, ask your questions, comment, download my Happy Gut Desserts ebook there, then like and subscribe. See you in the next video.